G'day guys, Happy New Year. First day of trading is here for 2018. Exciting time to be alive, it's going to be a big year. Now, I don't set New Year's resolutions, they're stupid, they're silly, they're ineffective. So here they are, my first one. I'm going to get fit. New year, new me.
A few moments later.
Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I used to be a lot fitter than what I am. 2017 was not a good year for me fitness-wise. I let myself go a bit. I'm out to probably 90 kilos and really I should be somewhere between 80 and 82. So I'm going to join the gym again. I haven't been to the gym since late 2016 when there was only one gym in my area. Now, of course, there's about 438, I think. They've just popped up everywhere. So no excuses, I'm going to join the gym, and 2018 I'm going to get down to my goal weight of 82 kilos. My second resolution is I'm going to stop dealing with high maintenance people. Now, I'm a mortgage broker and I sort of enjoy what I do to a certain extent. I don't work too hard these days, but I find a handful of people cause all the stress in my life. So 2018, I'm going to get better at sorting them out and just refusing to deal with people who are panicky, high maintenance people. They're just a pain in the ass, make my life difficult, so no more. Here in my garage, just bought this crappy little orange scooter over here. It's fun to ride around in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like more than materialistic things? Money. Shitloads of money. And my third resolution for 2018 is I'm going to have more fun. I'm going to go on more holidays. Now, I've only got one booked in this year so far, and it's over to Sydney in March. I think in March or April. No, it's April. But other than that, talking about, I haven't booked any of these in, but going to Melbourne for the Anzac Day games, watch Richmond versus Melbourne, and also watch the Anzac Day game. I'm going to Tasmania in June, and we'll definitely be there. What's the others? I'll maybe head to Bali somewhere around July, and also in September, we'll wait and see, but a mate wants to go to Vegas, boys trip, so that'll be 5 holidays in the year now. Never done that before. So it could be a fun year. Now, one more thing I am going to do, and it's something I've been working on for quite some time, and that is a book. Well, it's more of a manifesto, I think. The working title is How to Trade Well and How to Live Well. So it's about my philosophies on trading, but also trying to encapsulate my philosophy on, on life and my freedom and living well and having fun and being a good person and all those sorts of things. I'm going to try and wrap it all into a book. Now, I've been putting this together probably for the past couple of years. I've got bits and pieces written. My commitment to me, to you, I'm going to put it here now, is that I will have a book ready by the middle of next year. So that's 18 months away, no excuses. I will have it ready, and what happens with it then, I don't even care if I don't sell one copy. My commitment is to have it ready, and then we'll see what happens with it after that. So it's now on YouTube, it's official, I can't back out of it. It's a commitment. Now, something I did the other day, which I thought I wouldn't do, but I'll tell you about it. I've mentioned I'm not a believer in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies at this point, and I'm always willing to change my mind, but I haven't been convinced that they are the way of the future just yet. But I've got a few friends, some good friends, some bad friends, some neighbors, clients, even my cat has been speaking about USI Tech.
I really love USI Tech.
some company from somewhere that you buy packs and something, and they buy Bitcoin and they give you a 1% return per day, which of course this doesn't make sense to me. But hey, what I did just a few days ago, I signed up. I bought one pack, cost me $80. So I'm now in USI Tech and I'm going to follow it. Now, my gut feel is that they won't be around by the end of this year. That's my gut feel, and I hope I'm wrong, for not just for my sake. It's for my friends who are in it. I hope it just goes gangbusters and they make their fortunes. But it just doesn't seem to make sense to me. I'll just reserve my judgment. I will see how it goes. I won't be promoting it. I'll just have my one pack and I'll just follow it, and I'll give you some updates along the way. If you're in it, let me know how you've gone, because it seems to be people making a lot of money very quickly with this multi-level marketing scheme. So good on you if you're in it, and I'll let you know. I'm not holding my breath, put it that way. Now, as far as the channel goes for 2018, a quick update if you're new here, because a lot of new subscribers have come on recently, so maybe you don't know the history of this little channel. It's been going for 6 months. I started it on June 30th. I made a commitment to myself that I was going to put out 12 months worth of videos, and we're 6 months in, so there's 6 months to go. I started with no subscribers and no views, and as of right now there's 357 subscribers. So don't know where they come from, but thank you for subscribing. And I am definitely going to go for the rest of this year. I'm not going to make a lifelong commitment to this YouTube channel, but I am going to make a 2018 commitment. I think I've got more value to add, and as long as I feel like I have, I'll keep doing them. I'm not just going to put videos up if I don't think that they're worthy. Yes, except maybe this one. It's a bit of fun. But yeah, I'm going to really push forward in 2018 and try and give as much value as I can on this channel, and I think I can fill up 2018. Beyond that, I'm not sure, so we'll just commit to this year and that's it. Okay, no worries guys, so this is just the first video of 2018. Not a lot to see here, but just letting you know I'm excited for this year. The market is just looking awesome for 2018 after 4 or 5 pretty flat years. I'm going to be around, and I want to build this community as much as I can so we all will benefit from it in 2018. And look, let's just see where it ends up by December 31st. So have a good day, have a good first week, have a good year. No worries. Catch you guys. Here in my garage, just bought this little crappy orange scooter over here. Here in my garage, just bought this little orange crappy scooter. This is so stupid.